Cordillera, home of the best mountains, flowers, people, culture, and the coldest place in the island of Luzon.
Malaki pong pagkakaiba kasi noon kasi po nag-hardin lang po ako and then hindi ko po inakala na or akalain na makukuha ako ng isang litrato. Tapos yun po nakilala yung pangalan kong Carrotman. Pag nandito ka kasi sa Cordillera, madalas po makikita ang mga igorot dito sa Mountain Province. Yun po. And then makikilala mo sila sa mga ugali nila, pananamit nila, ganun po. Kasi po, yung mga igorot po is more on kultura po sila. Ang dayas po is parang kwento po ng, actually, this is a true story eh. Kwento po ng isang tao na totoo, na ginawa po natin. Pakiabangan po yung dayas na movie namin, na ginawa po namin at pinaghirapan talaga. Ito po tungkol sa isang buhay minero talaga, na ako po yung nag-act mismo at mga kasama ko po dito ay FBI din, full-blooded igorot po. So abangan mo yung movie namin kasi po iba talaga ang makikita nyo dun. Iba po yung Jeric Sigmaton ngayon na naka-smile sa harap nyo. Pero pag linabas talaga to, abangan po yung movie namin.
I'm so excited to create this film as the scriptwriter and the director of the short story Dayas. I made it a point that the setting of the story is, my roots, the mountains of Itogon, Benguet, Philippines, where we were raised by our father, who is a miner. I created two characters in the name of Bantay and Hakub, where their faith and culture respect is in contrast because of their experiences in life. We are asking your warm support to this short film, Dayas. This is the first time that I'm gonna write and produce as well as direct a film that comes from my heart as a Cordilleran director. And this is also the first time, and I'm proud to say, that Jeric Sigmaton, the Carrotman of the Philippines, the media sensation, is able to showcase his talent in the acting industry. I invite everyone to watch our short film Dayas. It will be streamed online on October 14 to 17 and live on Saturday, October 16, 2021 at the Producers Club, New York City. From an Igorot heart to another, I invite all Cordillerans all over the world and of course all Filipinos who are watching us right now to please support our YouTube stream that will be played on September 20 and will be ending on October 6, 2021 at 9 p.m. New York time. This is Janlyn, your Cordilleran director, and we also have a story to tell.
Sa makabagong panahon, matutunghayan ang pagsasalaysay ng isang kabanatang hinango sa totoong buhay. Mga naganap sa nakalipas na panahon, na bibigyang buhay at interpretasyon. Isang yugtong masisilayan ang tunay na kinang ng kulturang pinagmulan. Bawat tagpo'y hukukay sa natatanging kahalagahan ng tradisyong kinagisnan.
Wow! Kakadwa! Balik kayo! Kakadwa!
Gigisingin ka sa lalim ng iyong pananampalataya. Humanda na sa makabagbag damdaming kwento ng dalawang kapalaran na kasing lalim ng mga yungib ang kanilang paniniwala. Dalawang taong iisa ang hangarin, ngunit magkasalungat ang damdamin. Sabay-sabay nating tunghayan ang salaysay ng ginintuang yaman ng kultura ng Hilaga sa natatanging pagganap ni Jeric Sigmaton, the Carrotman of the Philippines. Ito ang kwento ng kultura tradisyon at pananampalataya.